Alright, this is going to be a 2.7K test video on the GoPro Hero 7. This is going to be the elevator at Building 64 at Marriott Cypress Harbor Villas in Orlando, Florida. It's a KONE KSS140. Let's ride. I'm going to go to 4. Let's get listen to that motor. Here are 4. Let's get a view up here. There goes the elevator. Let's get a view from the 4th floor. Look at this view, this is beautiful. Look at how gorgeous this is. There goes the elevator. It went down. Let's get a view from over here now. Right next to a palm tree, look at that. And there's a view straight down. Alright, then we can go back down now. Here's the bell didn't ding. Is it here? There it is. I won. Now I'll get a cab view. It's your basic KONE elevator. Here's the fixtures. 88 phone. 2,400 pounds. This is over 64. Here's the buttons. Oh, looks like the lights went off for a second. I already had it on 3. Here are 3. We're going to set it down to 1 so people can use it. Alright, watch it close. There it goes, and watch the number change. Alright. There it goes, and we'll end with the view looking out. So, there it goes. And that'll be it.